Hello, creative friends. So, I've been quietly working on something behind the scenes that has been on my creative bucket list for years, and I finally get to share it with you. Welcome to my brand new printable collection. If you follow me on social media, if you watch my YouTube videos, or if you take my virtual art classes, you will know that I have hundreds, thousands of paintings, sketchbook pages, art journal spreads, painted papers, doodles, class samples, creative experiments, all tucked away in my studio. And for years, I have wanted to find a way to give those pieces a second life. Not necessarily as prints to hang on the wall, but as something that you can actually create with, something you could cut apart, glue into your own journal, paint over, layer, tear, and totally make your own. So, over the last year, I've been digging through all of my artwork, scanning everything, editing, designing, redesigning, and slowly building what I hope becomes a growing library of printables. One thing that was really important to me throughout this entire process was that every single page begins with my own artwork. Every painted background, every doodle, every collage paper, journal page, watercolor, all of the different elements, everything started as something I created here in my studio. In a time when the art world is filled with AI generated artwork, these printables offer authentic, artist created imagery with real brushstrokes, layered textures, expressive marks, and the imperfect details that only come from creating by hand. When you print these pages, you're not just assembling a paper project, you're creating with bits and pieces pulled from my studio. And this collection includes lots of different kinds of printables. Everything from printable art journal kits that can become handmade journals filled with interactive pages, pockets, tags, and places to collect your own ideas or create your own layers. I'm a maximalist over here, so I've created these printables to have lots of different elements that you can use for lots of layers or keep them simple or make them your own. I've also created printable trifold folios, which are honestly my favorite in this entire collection. They're really simple to assemble, they're super fun to decorate, and you can actually glue them inside of your own art journals and again, make them your own. I've also got printable paper collections that are perfect for collage, backgrounds, and layering, and then a couple of creative prompt decks filled with prompts and creative ideas whenever you are looking for a place to begin. I intentionally designed these so there isn't just one way to use any of these printables. Print them on cheap printer paper, use cardstock, use your favorite tools and materials to layer over the top, or use them as is with all of the different elements. And I think one of my favorite parts of this project, of the designing and redesigning, is actually kind of imagining what might happen after they leave my studio. Maybe they become an art journal, maybe they're cut up into collage bits and pieces, maybe they're filled with memories and photos, maybe you journal or paint over the top of them, maybe they inspire an entirely new direction in your own creative process. Whatever happens, I hope that if you purchase one of these little printables, they become yours. And the entire collection is officially available now over in the shop. I'll put the link in the description box. You're going to find art journal kits, trifold folios, printable papers, and prompt decks ranging from $5 to $12. Thank you, as always, for always supporting my work over here in this space. Every painting, sketchbook, messy page has truly led to this little collection, and I can't wait to see how these pieces continue their journey in your own journals, your own artwork, and your own creative adventures.